Hey, meal preppers, Paul coming at you here this week. Sorry we missed you last week. I got Amy behind the camera. Guys, how are you doing? We've got 3 amazing dishes, nutrient-dense meals, which means it'll keep you full longer so you can limit that snacking. We revisited 2 old dishes just because I found the instructions were a little wonky, so wanted to revisit these, plus really wanted to revisit this one.
Because it's
and
yummy.
We'll start with that one. We're gonna go opposite direction. So over here, guys, this is just a kind of a take on a Philly cheesesteak, but it's bison stuffed peppers here. We've got bison in there with mushrooms and onions. And then what really makes this dish are these sweet cherry peppers that you buy. Cut them up, put the sweet cherry peppers in there along with some of the juice from the jar, and let that simmer in the meat. And then obviously we'll put this in the oven with some cheese on top, provolone. You can buy smoked or non-smoked. I kind of wish I bought smoked provolone, but I didn't. And then I paired it with what I thought was a nice kind of a complement, a crisp lemon Parmesan slaw. This is the Power Slaw.
It really is good.
Broccoli slaw in there. So good veggies right there, good portion to get those in. And it actually is really tasty. I was surprised. Lemon and Parmesan with broccoli.
Sounded weird to me. I said Parmesan in that, and then I tasted it. So it's good.
Right here, a new dish. This is Pesto cauliflower rice with chicken. I made this pesto a little differently. I used almonds in there, not as much oil, a little bit more water, and same thing with your basil, garlic, and just mix all that up over some sauteed cauliflower.
Pretty
rice.
tasty.
Yep. And then Amy sauteed some zucchini. I was going to put in the oven, but this is looking really good. So sauteed, always better, because then you can control the burn, the crunch, and all that stuff. Same with the chicken. The chicken is just seasoned with garlic and onion powder, just right there in the pan, because the flavor is going to come from the basil, which is pretty tasty.
Yeah.
Over here, mustard and thyme pork loin. So we sauteed the pork loin. I know you did this one. This was olive oil, thyme.
It's marinated in olive oil, thyme, lemon juice, salt, pepper, garlic.
Yeah, a simple marinade, because what really is going to make it is this mustard sauce. You actually cook the sauce in the pan with a little, it's red wine with mustard and garlic.
And thyme.
And thyme, fresh thyme. Let that cook in the pan for a little bit, just so the garlic comes to life. Put it aside, and then mix some Greek yogurt in there. That'll kind of rein in that mustard, because it is a strong mustard taste. And then we just paired it with rice and veggies. We got Brussels sprouts and broccoli.
Lots of veggies.
So probably more Brussels sprouts on Amy's side.
Probably.
That's all right.
I took a good handful of broccoli.
I still love my broccoli.
He does.
Guys, let us know what you love. I love all 3 of these dishes. Can't wait to taste this one.
The pesto really is good.
Pesto was really tasty. And the almonds just are a lot less fat than pine nuts. Pine nuts got super fat nut. Almonds not so much. So, guys, yeah, let us know what you like, and have a great weekend.
Bye.
Bye.